Hi guys, welcome back to Tech Tutorial. Today we're going to talk about how to set up Google Analytics in Shopify. It's a step-by-step guide to follow easily, so don't forget to hit the like and subscribe button. Let's dive right in. Now to be able to set up your Google Analytics in Shopify, you're first going to select over here on the left side, the Shopify online store. So simply select this right here. And when you select an option, you will see multiple other options will be here from themes, blog posts, pages, navigation, and preferences. So simply select the preferences option over here. And in this area, this is where you will be able to see more options. And one of it is the Google Analytics over here. Google Analytics enables you to track the visitors to your store, generate reports that will help you with your marketing. So you will simply select and paste your code over here from Google. And to be able to set it up, you could view this option over here. How do I set this up? And it will show you an instruction guide on how you will be able to set up your Google Analytics in Google itself. So after setting up your Google Analytics, simply copy and paste the code that you will get from Google and paste it over here. And you will be able to successfully use the Google Analytics with your Shopify. But you have to, as you see, you must upgrade to the latest version of Google Analytics in order to use the enhanced e-commerce of Shopify. And that's basically it, guys. If you enjoyed this video, consider leaving a like and subscribe. Thanks for watching.